Why'd you stop it?
So we don't waste film.
It's okay. It's not film. You can delete it.
I know.
It's not like you're wasting it and then like it just stretches out and then you're like, oh, we have to go get some more. Taking people out to do that. You have to get film.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And then you remember when you
Just
took the
develop
last
it.
picture and then like it rolled up or whatever it did
yeah,
in the
made
camera?
that long sound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you literally had to take it. Okay, so we had this video planned for a while, and basically what I wanted to do is I wanted to maximize my studio space. Or are we calling it a studio?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're calling it a studio. So I wanted to maximize my studio space by placing everything in optimal positions, because right now the light is over here on my left, and basically what I would have had to do is I would have had to move it from here to over here every time I wanted to like record. So I want to put it here and leave it here where I normally have it, just so I don't have to move it every time, set the camera up, all those other types of things, and just have it, just literally be able to sit down and press record and just record my video. So what you're going to be watching is us cleaning the room and kind of, you know, situating everything and kind of just optimizing everything. So, yeah. Okay. If the water's already like murky. Actually, not really. It's not that bad. Okay, now we have to wait for it to dry. So terrible lighting, but basically what's going to happen is that thing right there is going to go into that corner, and then that's going to become like a little charging station area kind of thing.
Like this way, right? The camera's there. The light just turns around to face this side. Like turn the light to face me.
Like this?
Yep. it just turns that way. And then you're filming. And then you have your set light here. So that the here isn't dark, right? And then if it's the same thing, if I go over there, you're gonna turn the light over there. So you need to find one unified position for the main light.
Oh, that's what you're saying. So you just leave it in one spot.
Yep.
But if you're filming on this set, you have it here. If you're filming on the next set, then you have it there.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying.
And then you leave it so that way if you have like a third small set, like what you were talking about, that you can still turn this to face whatever direction you need it to face.
All these litter stains. You actually slid far.
Why? Because I'm not that light.
That makes no sense. If you're not light, then you wouldn't go far. Okay, so we just finished the room after pretty much 2 hours, a little bit over 2 hours, and we're gonna give everybody a tour. So let's go. Okay, so we just finished the room after what? An hour and a half? That was, yeah, almost 2 hours actually. The room's done, and I think to end the video, we're just kind of, show everybody around. So let's go. I just hit chest with the door. Do it again.